स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome to the Manova Education. So guys, today's video is very important because lot of students ask me with respect to the syllabus for MH Law CET 3 and 5 years program 2021. So जो भी एस्पिरेंट्स 2021 के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उन्होंने मुझे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि सर सिलेबस तो चेंज हो चुका है और आपने कुछ अपडेट्स अभी तक नहीं दिया। कुछ ये पूछ रहे हैं कि सर सिलेबस चेंज है या नहीं। सो सिलेबस चेंज और नॉट। सो गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी थ्रू आउट दिस वीडियो बिकॉज गाइस बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द सिलेबस चेंज। सो वेरी फर्स्ट वन, जो भी अपडेट्स है वो सीईटी सेल की वेबसाइट पर आ जाते हैं और जैसे ही कुछ नोटिफिकेशंस मिलता भी है मैं तुरंत आपको वीडियो से बता देता हूं कि गाइस सिलेबस चेंज हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, क्या राउंड के क्या अपडेट्स आए हैं, क्या अपडेट्स नहीं आए हैं। सो जो भी कुछ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं गाइस, बी कनेक्टेड विद अवर यूट्यूब चैनल टू गेट द रेगुलर अपडेट्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द all law entrance exams such as MH Law CET, CLAT, TU, LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, ILAT and others. If you are preparing for any of the exam, you will get the updates for all these one. So very first one, we also launch our new YouTube channel named Manova Law Entrance which is very specific to all these exams. So जो भी कुछ updates होंगे guys वो आपको इस चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे। So the link also mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates. So guys, if you are preparing for any of these exam, call our board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main topic. Syllabus change हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है? So friends, this is the official website of CET Cell. Click here for CET exam portal 2021 and 22. जो भी सारे updates है with respect to the 21 program वो यहाँ आने वाले हैं। यहाँ जो भी अपडेट्स आएंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द कैप राउंड और 2020. सो गाइज दिस ऑल आर द अपडेट्स. नाउ द एस्पिरेंट्स ऑल आर आस्किंग रिगार्डिंग द सिलेबस चेंज और नॉट. सो हियर इज द आंसर. क्लिक हियर. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द हायर एजुकेशन. लेट मी जूम इन. सो सब्जेक्ट इज ऑल अबाउट द हायर एज्युकेशन फॉर द अकॅडमिक इयर 2021-2022 परीक्षेचा अभ्यासक्रम कल्विनेबाबत रिगार्डिंग दिस सिलेबस 8 प्रोग्राम्स. विच आर these all one. Okay, law 3 years, 5 years, B.Ed, M.Ed, B.P.Ed, M.P.Ed, B.A. B.Ed or B.Sc B.Ed integral program or B.Ed M.Ed integral program. So these all are the 8 programs. So here it is the news. उक्त अभ्यासक्रमांच्या राज्य सामायिक प्रवेश परीक्षेसाठी शैक्षणिक वर्ष, that means the academic year 2020 and 21, whatever the syllabus was same in the academic year 2021-22 will be keep constant, or you can say that the same syllabus will be followed for the academic year 2021 and 22. So this is the news or notification by the CET cell and that's why we didn't make the any video with respect to the syllabus change because syllabus change तो हुआ ही नहीं है guys. Okay, so same you have to follow. So this is all the syllabus here with respect to law 3 years, legal aptitude 30, general knowledge 40, logical and analytical reasoning 30, English 50, overall 150 questions are there. No negative marking system. So per question 1 mark. These all are the syllabus, legal aptitude and legal reasoning. You have to prepare for all these syllabus. For general knowledge, these all. For logical and analytical reasoning, the candidate's ability to identify the pattern or logical links. So these all are the syllabus. With respect to the English, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, analogies, proficiency, all idioms and phrases, one word substitution, sentence improvement, rearrangement, fill in the blanks, errors and the comprehension part. So you have to focus more on the reading comprehension part. So the question will be objective multiple choice questions with 4 options. There is no negative marking system as previously. Okay, the time allotted is 2 hours 120 minutes same, and questions will be in the English and Marathi language. So this is for law 3 years. Now this is for 5 years. Legal aptitude 40 questions, general knowledge 30, logical and analytical reasoning 40, English 30 and basic mathematics 10. So overall 150 questions. 1 question 1 mark. Okay, these all are the syllabus. Okay, basic mathematics, this is to test the numerical ability of the candidate. Okay, the questions comes from the standard 10th level of various topics including profit and loss, speed and distance, time and work, algebra, average and Venn diagram. So same here, multiple choice questions, no negative marking system, 2 hours 120 minutes and question will be in the English and Marathi language. Now these all are with respect to the Bachelor of Education. Okay, B.P.Ed, these all are the syllabus. You can go through this PDF. Okay guys, so download it for the future references. Whenever you will start the preparations, make sure you are getting all these topics and you are covering all the syllabus. This is for B.Ed CET, mental ability 40, general knowledge 30 and teacher aptitude 30. 100 questions. English language ELCT 50 marks. These all are the components, 60 minutes. So scroll down and you can go through all these sections and the topics in it. So guys, this is all from the today's video. So syllabus कोई change नहीं हुआ है. Same syllabus which was in academic year 2020 or 21 will be repeated in the 2021 and 22. Whatever the preparation you have started, you are already on the right path. So don't worry about any topic, section and overall syllabus. Okay guys. So this is all from the today's video guys. If you are preparing for 2021 and even for 2022 and want some boosters in your preparation, you can enroll for the books, mock test, sectional course if you are lacking in any particular section, full course if you want to interact live with us, join our live lectures, call at 8828581455 or visit manuaredu.com/lawentrance. This link also mentioned in the description guys. So check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates with respect to the law entrance exams. So if you want to join our classroom preparations for 2022 program, join us at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.